Ever wondered what separates a private yacht from a charter yacht? It's more than just who owns the vessel. It's about different experiences, different priorities, and ultimately, different dreams. Whether you're an owner, a guest, or crew, understanding this distinction is key to navigating the world of luxury yachting. Owners need to weigh financial considerations against personal usage. Guests might prioritize privacy or the thrill of a new crew and itinerary. Crew members adapt to the specific demands of private versus charter operations. Let's dive into the world of private and charter yachts to see what makes each one unique. A private yacht is the epitome of exclusivity. It's your floating palace, ready to whisk you away. Imagine waking up, having breakfast on the deck, and cruising to a new island. That's the freedom private yachting offers. Private yachts are all about customization. You choose everything from layout to amenities. Privacy is paramount. It's just you, your guest, and the crew you've handpicked. No guest turnover, no sharing space with strangers. However, this luxury comes at a price. Running a private yacht is expensive. You're responsible for all costs, from maintenance to fuel. Charter yachts offer a taste of the yachting lifestyle without the commitment of ownership. Think of it as renting a luxury villa on the water. Experience the thrill of yachting, exploring stunning destinations, and enjoying top-notch service. There are two main types of charter yachts, crewed and bareboat. Crew charters come with a professional crew. Bareboat charters are for the more adventurous. You're responsible for sailing and managing the yacht yourself. Chartering your yacht can generate revenue. Regular charters ensure frequent maintenance. However, charter yachts see more wear and tear. Privacy is limited as you're sharing your space with paying guests. Section 4. Weighing the anchors. Key differences. The key differences between private and charter yachts boil down to usage, crew, regulations, and costs. Private yachts are for the owner's exclusive enjoyment. Charter yachts are primarily for generating income or offsetting ownership costs. Private yachts often have a stable, long-term crew familiar with the owner's preferences. Charter yachts, by necessity, have varying crews who adapt to different guests. Charter yachts need to meet strict safety and licensing regulations to operate legally. They require specific insurance policies that cover potential liabilities associated with chartering. While private yachts also need insurance, the requirements are less stringent. Private yachts come with higher running costs due to sole ownership. Charter yachts can offset these costs through rental income. Section 5. Charting your course. Which yacht is right for you? How do you decide which yacht floats your boat? For privacy and customization, a private yacht is ideal. For flexibility and income, chartering is perfect. There are also hybrid options. Some owners charter their yachts occasionally. This offsets costs while allowing personal use. The choice depends on your needs and priorities. Private yacht or charter yacht? Let us know in the comments below.